So I find, natural human tendency, mostly in my life, around people who are around me, and from the where I reside, and from where I go for pursuing education. I just find that people are get jealous to the person who is around them, that person is getting success, why I don't, and he's getting before me, yeah, she's getting before me, and they start criticizing that person, back bitching, or maybe they start pulling that person. For me, I think I have a good perspective toward this, that I never get jealous. I find these things lot of profitable, because whatever now, if something if you know doing a person for the first time, imagine if he initiated something different, or she's doing for the first time, yeah, for you know struggling with the society, that many conservative people are not allowing to do a woman to do something, or a man to do something, and they struggle a lot, and they are doing for the first time. So somewhere it is advantage for us that they initiate, that they face all the struggle. So somewhere if we are second and third, our struggle is reducing, because they face a lot of the struggle that doing for the first time, and huge society pressure, and they stopping them, but they fight with them, and they did for the first time those things. So there's a lot of struggle. So I always feel happy if people are doing something better and good around me. I find like, look, they did the whole struggle part. Now I have to face less resistance in my life because of them, and I can achieve more. Yeah, I can work more, and but yeah, the first person have to face a lot of struggle and resistance. And if they did, don't criticize them, let's support them, or otherwise wait that, yeah, you are getting benefit from their work, that whenever you are going to do some work, you will get less resistance and criticism, because already that person face a lot than you. Especially I find in conservative society, where if girl start to go in a private sector and want to do job, society criticize them. Oh, don't send a girl for doing job, this is bad for your family, etc., etc. And still all the resistance or all the difficult challenges, she made it, and she start doing job. If person after her, like me or another girl, want to do to go a private sector job, now people are see the first girl already, that she is doing well and all, and start expecting those things. So it is benefit that people are already put all their efforts to pulling her down. So you have to face less. So yeah, don't criticize if someone is doing right, don't pull them down. If someone is doing right, it is beneficial for you. If you are a person who is always compare yourself with others, so think in that way, that yeah, it is profitable for you, and don't get jealous that they are doing before you. So thank you for this topic. I will come back with the new topic and new perspective.